In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can collect event rewards here in the Division Resurgence. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do is look up in the top right corner of the screen and you can see a little like event icon. It kind of looks like a calendar right here. Just essentially go ahead and select it and it's going to pull up the events just like so. Now, if you have rewards available, you'll see like an exclamation mark over all of these different options. So as you can see, it looks like I have a few different stuff available and you just want to go through this and find whatever it is that you currently have. Some of these are going to be in progress. Some of these are just daily sign-in rewards. Some of these are whatever the event currently is. And then, of course, you also have different challenges on here as well that are worth completing to get even more rewards. You just keep claiming everything available until you're done, and you could do this pretty much all the time. But the process really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.